Learn about life, learn about this, learn about that, don't take me seriously.
Sound effects. When they used to tell stories on the radio, crime stories and UFO stories, they had a guy on there that was doing sound effects. Because it helped tell the story. That's what sound effects do. There were these two horses. Yo, I can run faster than you. What, are you kidding me? Yeah, but I'm a horse who can run faster than you. Yeah? Well, prove it. Let's have a race. Okay, we're racing. Now we gotta make a sound effect of two horses racing down the road. Or the farm. I don't know where horses race. Possibly a dirt path, a grassy knoll. We're gonna take your two hands, and we're gonna take our knee. Doesn't matter which knee.
High knees, high knees, high knees, high knees, high knees.
Not high knee, I'm not saying high knee. Slap, hit, hit. Slap, hit, hit. I recommend wearing pants. I have shorts on. I live in LA and it's kind of hot out here. And that's what you do in LA. You just hang out during the day because people don't work here. This really hurts with shorts on. I gotta use my other leg. Seriously, this really hurts. You wanna make a sound effect of a UFO. That's one that you're gonna use with your mouth. Two different skills at the same time. Whistling and humming.
It's a UFO.
Oh, yeah. Now, at the same time. Just wait for it.
You gotta wet the lips.
Here's a teardrop. Probably get checked out by a doctor because I've never heard anybody cry and make this noise, but they call it a teardrop.
A leaky pipe.
Do I know any other ones? Cats are like freaky little animals. I don't even know anymore. All music in any club that you've ever been to. And then you add like a ooh, oosh, 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 oosh. I'm in the club, I can't see. Seriously, I can't see anything right now.
I just see a big light dot.
This is one of my favorite fart noises. Fart noises. Fart noises. You want air. That's the key with this sound effect. You don't have to use the real thing. You want that flappy noise. Control the air. Two race cars racing down the road. Tight lips. So it's the same motion. Put your finger in between your lips. So now air is coming on both sides. You want to add a little color to it. And then just go until you run out of air. It could sound like two motorcycles too, but still, you run across an elephant and you want it to possibly get out of your way. You gotta get them wet for this one. That's my trunk. I hope you guys learned something. An elephant noise, two race cars racing, a horse galloping, a UFO. I mean, all of these can possibly come in handy. Share this with other people. I don't know why you would share this. I don't even know if I'm gonna share it with anybody. Thanks for tuning in. Peace! Baby seal?